Welcome, dear students and teacher.
Thank you. These are VHSC students and we are here as part of a field visit.
Sir, do you know where we can find these ornamental plants?
Okay, sure. I will tell you more about plants. Please come. Follow me.
Thank you, sir.
Here we can see different ornamental plants. These are grouped based on salient features. Let's get familiar with first group.
Here we can see different kinds of flowering plants.
These are grouped on the basis of their salient features, right?
Yes, let us get familiar with the first group. This called flowering annuals. This is Zinnia.
Sir, how is it propagated?
It can be propagated through seeds.
Next is Gomphernia, which is locally named as bachelor's button. These can be propagated through seeds.
This is balsam, locally called Kashitumba. It can be propagated through seeds.
This is marigold. Its local name is Chendumalli. These are propagated through seeds. Salvia, and they are propagated by using seeds. This is Cosmos, and seeds are the propagating material. This is Celosia. Its local name is coxcomb or coripove. These can be propagated through seeds. Let's see some of the common herbaceous perennials.
Let us see some of the common herbaceous perennials.
Sir, which plant is this?
This is begonia. This can be propagated through leaf cuttings.
Gerbera.
And these plants are propagated by using either seeds or suckers. Anthurium. These are propagated by using suckers, stem cuttings or seeds.
This is foliage plants, Aglaonema. Mode of propagation through shoot tip cutting.
Dieffenbachia, popularly known as dumb cane. Their mode of propagation is cuttings. Caladium. These are propagated using rhizome. locally called as peacock plant. These are propagated using cuttings. Maranta. Its local name is prayer plant, propagated using divisions of crown or cuttings.
Chlorophytum.
Locally called as spider plant or ribbon plant. These are propagated using cuttings. Ribbon grass, propagated using slips. Coleus, propagated using cuttings. Peperomia, propagated using cuttings. Rio discolor, locally known as Rio, and these are propagated using cuttings. Pelia, locally known as aluminium plant, and these are propagated through cuttings. Alternanthera, propagated using cuttings. Let's see another group of ornamental plants called shrubs.
Let us see another group of ornamental plants called shrubs.
Sir, what is the name of these plants?
This is Crosandra, locally known as Kanagambaram, which are propagated by seeds and cuttings.
Acalypha, locally known as cat's tail, and this is propagated using cuttings. Aralia, their mode of propagation is cuttings. Croton, these are propagated by using cuttings or air layering. Duranta, local name is golden dewdrops. These are propagated using cuttings. Hamelia, locally known as scarlet bush, and these are propagated using cuttings.
This is Ixora, locally known as Tetti, which are propagated using cuttings.
Lantana, its local name is Konguni Poovu or Poochedi Poovu, and this is propagated by using cuttings. Tabernaemontanum, which is popularly known as Nandyarvatam or wax flower, and these are usually propagated through cuttings. Bauhinia, locally known as Mandaram or butterfly plant or camel foot plant. These are propagated by cuttings or seeds. Gardenia, locally known as Gandharajan or Cape jasmine. These plants are propagated by cuttings or air layering. Hydrangea. Its mode of propagation is leaf bud cuttings. Nerium or oleander, locally known as arali, which is propagated using cuttings or layering. Mosenda. These are propagated by using cuttings or layering. Hibiscus or shoe flower. This plant is locally called as Chembarati. These are commonly propagated through cuttings or layers. Caesalpinia, locally known as peacock flower or Rajmalli. Method of propagation is through seeds. These are climbers and creepers.
Let us see climbers and creepers.
This is Alamander, right, sir?
Yes, Alamander, commonly called Kolambi, which are propagated by cuttings or layering.
Monstera, locally known as Swiss cheese plant, and this is propagated using cuttings. Pothos, local name is money plant, and this is propagated using cuttings.
This is Petria, a woody climber, commonly called purple rubs, which are propagated by using cuttings or layering.
Adenocalima, locally known as garlic creeper. These are propagated through cuttings and layering. Bougainvillea. Its local name is paper flower, and this is propagated through cuttings and layering. Let us see some ornamental trees. Among trees, there are two groups: foliage trees and flowering trees.
Let us see some ornamental trees. Among trees, there are two groups: foliage trees and ornamental trees. Here one a typical foliage tree called Oracaria.
It's commonly called Christmas tree, isn't it, sir?
Yes, commonly called Christmas tree. It can be propagated through cuttings and air layering.
Rain tree, locally called as Maramaram, and these are propagated through seeds. Peepal tree, its local name is Arayal, and mode of propagation is seeds. Polyalthea, locally called as Aranamaram or mast tree, which is propagated using seeds. Let us see some of the flowering trees. Cassia, locally named as twin-flowered cassia, and seeds are used for its propagation.
Plumeria.
Champaga, and method of propagation is through seeds and cuttings. Copper pod, local name is Charakonna. Seeds are used for its propagation.
This is Amgarshia, a flowering tree, commonly called Shimshiva Vrsham.
Sir, how is it propagated?
It is propagated through air layering.
Delonix, locally known as Gulmohar, and its common propagation method is through seeds. Lagerstromia, its local name is Manimarutha, and seeds are used for its propagation. Let's get familiarized with another group of ornamental plants called bulbous plants.
Let us familiarize with another group of plants called the bulbous plants. This is red ginger or ginger lily, which can be propagated by using sucker or rhizome.
Dahlia. These are propagated by different methods like seeds, cuttings, or tuberous roots. locally known as Kanavara. These are propagated using tuberous roots and seeds. Let's see some of the ferns.
Let us see some lower plant groups. This is ferns. This plant, Salaginella, commonly called electric fern.
Nephrolepis or ladder fern. Adiantum or maiden hair fern. Cacti and succulents, which are gaining much popularity these days.
Now we can see another group of plants, cacti and succulents. This is sansevieria, commonly called snake plant or mother-in-law's friend.
Sir, how is it propagated?
It can be propagated through leaf cutting.
Okay.
Opuntia, local name is rabbit-eared or bunny-eared, which are propagated through seeds, offsets or grafting.
Bryophyllum.
Locally known as Ilamulachi, and leaf cuttings are used for its propagation. Aloe. Its local name is Katarvara, and offsets are used for its multiplication. Palms and cycads, another ornamental group.
These are another group of ornamental plants, palms and cycads. This is red palm, propagated by using suckers.
Trinax, fan-leaved palm, and method of propagation is by seeds. Ravenellia, traveler's palm, and method of propagation is through seeds. This is Areca palm. This concludes most of the common ornamental plants grown in this institute. Hope you people got a clear picture about some of the common ornamentals.
have covered almost all. I hope you got a clear picture about ornamental plants.
Thank you, sir, for sparing us your valuable time. Your detailed class will help us a lot.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Bye, sir.